Good afternoon everyone, welcome to Hide and Seek Champion. So who's ready to hide? So let's give a big round of the applause who make a grounded video. Andrew Orozco.
Oh no, not Andrew Orozco. He always making grounded videos out of me in 2017.
I know, you cause a lot of trouble.
Okay, you have 30 seconds to hide, and we turn to make him who is the winner. Let the neighborhood hide to championship. Let the race begin. Ready, steady, go.
Got you, Violy.
No, no.
Got you, Jahari.
Oh man.
Got you, Nature. Where he go? Got you, Christo.
No
Wow, here he is, the new C neighborhood champion. There is ISNT Nature Cat win.
No, those all are lies. I'll tell you a speech of Andrew. Andrew, Kmanimation, Joanne, Daniel, Chet, and Khaled always making grounded videos out of me. Nature Cat is horrible cat, that's IT. Screw you.
Oh my god, Violy, how dare you misbehave at Hide and Seek Champion. We are count on you to win, that's IT. Let's go home now, Violy. Violy, how dare you lose the game. We are count on you to win, that's IT. You're grounded for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 days. Go to your room now.
Okay, Mum.